Welcome back to our series, How to Use YouTube for Customer Support. In today's video, we're covering something that's foundational, but often overlooked when building a professional YouTube presence: how to organize your channel. The way you structure your YouTube channel plays a critical role in discoverability, usability, and long-term scalability. It comes down to two key factors: how your business is structured and how you plan on using your videos. Is your business highly complicated or contain very different types of products? Do you plan on embedding your videos, sharing their links in emails, or using your playlists on your website to group your content? It's important to answer questions like these prior to going live with your channel or channels. Think of your channel like a pyramid. Every layer supports the next, and getting this structure right early on can save you significant time and headaches down the road. Let's break down that structural pyramid. At the top, you have the channel itself. This is where you decide what aspects of your business and your content belongs together. Depending on your organization's size, this could either be your company as a whole or a major division, something along the lines of consumer versus business to business. The larger and more complicated your business is, the more likely you'll need multiple channels. Below that, the next layer is what we'll call your shelf layer. This might be structured around product suites such as cloud services or security solutions, or around content type like support or per sales. You'll use the shelves on the channel landing page to organize your playlists into logical groups for the customer to explore. Next, we move down to the playlist layer. This is your functional grouping. You'll create your playlists around topics like account management, troubleshooting, or onboarding. When planning your playlists, think carefully about this layer. Your playlists are how your content will be shared, embedded, and navigated to by your customers. What makes the most sense for organizing your content? And what will actually be useful for the customer? Additionally, keep the number of videos in a playlist at a reasonable level. Customers aren't going to search through a list of 20 videos to find what they want. On the flip side, a playlist of 1 or 2 videos doesn't make a lot of sense most of the time either. And finally, at the base of the pyramid, you have your individual videos, the building blocks of the entire structure. Each video has its own unique URL and can be shared or embedded as a standalone asset. But even though each video stands alone as its own asset, the better the channel structure placed around it, the higher its SEO ranking and customer use will be. With the exception of your main channel name and individual video URLs, almost everything in this structure can be changed over time. But, and this is important, reorganizing your channel later can be time-consuming, and it likely will impact your SEO performance. That's why it's worth the effort to strategically plan your structure before publishing large volumes of content. In our next video, we'll dive into how to utilize videos to optimize the customer journey. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.